Stuck with legacy code? Migrating from jQuery to React doesn't have to be a headache anymore. Meet your existing jQuery UI, functional but outdated, and a challenge to upgrade or maintain. It's time to elevate your applications with the power of React. Introducing Workik AI. Simply provide your jQuery code and watch as our intelligent AI instantly rewrites it into clean, efficient React components. Workik AI isn't just a simple converter. It's an advanced, context-aware engine that understands your jQuery's original intent and functionality. It intelligently rewrites and optimizes your code, generating clean, idiomatic React components, literally in seconds. And just like that, your entire jQuery application is now a fully functional React experience. Migrating complex features has never been this easy or fast. Ready to transform your development workflow?
Try Workik AI for free.